In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete mail in Outlook after sending. If you've ever hit send too soon, Outlook's message recall feature can sometimes save the day. Keep in mind, this works in classic Outlook on Windows and is most reliable within the same organization, especially when everyone's using Microsoft Exchange. Timing matters, and the feature only helps with messages that haven't been opened yet. Start by opening Classic Outlook on your computer. Then head to your Sent Items folder. This is where Outlook keeps copies of everything you've sent. Find the email you want to take back, and double-click it to open it in its own window. This part is important. Recall won't be available if you're just looking at the message in the reading pane. It needs to be in a separate window to access the right controls. With the message open, look at the ribbon along the top. Click the Message tab, then find the Actions button. In that menu, select Recall this message. If your version looks a little different, you might need to go to File, then Info, and look for Resend or Recall. The wording can vary slightly across versions, but you're aiming for Recall this message. When the recall dialog appears, you'll see two choices. The first is delete unread copies of this message. Choose this if you simply want Outlook to remove the email from recipients' inboxes, as long as they haven't opened it yet. The second option is delete unread copies and replace with a new message. Pick this if you need to correct a mistake or add missing information. Outlook will open your original email so you can edit it, update the subject or body as needed, and then resend. After you've chosen the option that fits your situation, click OK to proceed. A quick reality check: recall fails if the recipient has already opened or read the email. It can also be less effective across different email systems or when rules move messages out of the inbox. To give yourself the best chance of success, act quickly and keep your replacement message clear and concise if you're using the Replace option. When you click OK, Outlook does the rest in the background, attempting the recall and, if you chose it, sending your revised message. That's the process for using message recall in Outlook. Use it promptly, and remember its limits. Thanks for watching.